Have you ever felt that climbing stairs or simply standing up from a chair has become a little tougher lately? Maybe you notice that your strength isn't quite what it used to be, and everyday movements seem more tiring. It's a common experience as we age. Our muscles slowly lose mass and power, a condition known as sarcopenia. But here's the good news: this doesn't have to be your reality. Today we're diving into something simple, delicious, and entirely natural. Fruits that can help rebuild your muscles, improve your energy, and keep you moving freely well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. No complicated supplements, no pricey treatments, just nature's own muscle boosters. In this video, I'll introduce you to 5 fruits scientifically shown to support muscle health and slow down muscle loss with age. These fruits are easy to find, gentle on your system, and safe for most health conditions like diabetes or heart issues. Plus, I'll share some practical tips on how to include them in your diet so you can start feeling stronger soon. If you enjoy this content and want more health tips for aging gracefully, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community. Now let's get started. Let's start with the creamy, buttery avocado, a fruit that often gets praise for heart health. But did you know it's also fantastic for your muscles? Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that help calm inflammation, which tends to increase with age and quietly damages muscle tissue over time. Inflammation is like a slow-burning fire inside your body that hinders muscle repair and recovery. On top of that, avocados are a powerhouse of potassium and magnesium, minerals crucial for smooth muscle contractions and preventing cramps. A good muscle function means better balance, fewer falls, and more confidence moving around. Plus, avocados contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, and fiber to support stable blood sugar levels, vital for sustained energy. Studies show older adults who consume healthy fats, like those in avocados, tend to move better and experience less frailty. For example, Clara, a lively 72-year-old, started eating half an avocado daily and noticed fewer leg cramps and more energy during her morning walks. How to enjoy it? Slice it on toast, blend it into smoothies, mix with eggs, or even make a creamy dessert. Avocados have no cholesterol and very little sugar, making them a perfect snack to fuel your day. Next up is the vibrant tart cherry, not the sweet kind you snack on, but the sour cherries often turned into juice or dried snacks. Tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that battle inflammation, a major factor behind muscle soreness and stiffness, especially in older adults. Research on athletes reveals that tart cherry juice speeds up muscle recovery and reduces soreness after intense activity. Imagine what this could mean for you after a long walk or gardening session. Moreover, tart cherries naturally contain melatonin, which helps regulate sleep, a crucial time when your muscles repair and grow stronger. Paul, 68, began drinking tart cherry juice in the evening and reported waking up less stiff and with more energy. You can try 100% pure tart cherry juice, capsules, or sprinkle dried tart cherries on yogurt or oatmeal. Just check with your doctor if you take medications, but generally, tart cherries are a safe and tasty ally against muscle pain and inflammation. Now let's talk about pomegranate, with its jewel-like seeds full of muscle-loving nutrients. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants called polyphenols that fight oxidative stress, which can sap your muscle strength and slow recovery. What makes pomegranate truly special is its ability to enhance blood flow by increasing nitric oxide production. Better circulation means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients, improving endurance and helping your body repair faster. Studies in older adults show that pomegranate extracts improve muscle performance and reduce fatigue, even for light daily activities. My friend George, 74, who recently resumed gardening, credits pomegranate juice for his improved energy and reduced soreness. You can eat the seeds fresh, toss them into salads, or drink the juice. Just be mindful of the natural sugars in the juice and prefer whole seeds for extra fiber. Often overlooked, prunes, dried plums, are a hidden gem for muscle health beyond their reputation as a digestive aid. Prunes contain unique antioxidants and polyphenols that reduce inflammation and protect muscle tissue. Excitingly, some research indicates that compounds in prunes activate IGF-1, a hormone essential for muscle growth and repair. One lab study found that prune extracts actually increased muscle cell size and protein synthesis, meaning they don't just prevent loss, but may promote new muscle growth even in older adults. Additionally, prunes are rich in boron, a mineral that enhances bone and muscle strength by helping your body absorb calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D more effectively. Helen, 76, was skeptical about prunes, but now eats 5 daily and says her joints feel less achy and her energy has improved. Enjoy prunes as a sweet snack, chopped into oatmeal, or blended into smoothies or energy balls. They have a low glycemic index, so they're gentle on blood sugar. Last but not least is the humble apple, a fruit you likely grew up eating, but its peel holds a surprising muscle-strengthening secret. Apples contain a compound called ursolic acid, found mainly in their skin, which studies show can encourage muscle growth and reduce muscle breakdown. Research in mice revealed that ursolic acid increased muscle mass and decreased fat. And early human studies hint at similar benefits by boosting IGF-1 and lowering myostatin, a protein that limits muscle growth. Apples are also rich in quercetin, an antioxidant that supports mitochondrial health, your muscle cells' energy factories, helping muscles work better and recover faster. Plus, the fiber in apples supports gut health and blood sugar control, indirectly promoting muscle strength. David, 79, swears by eating a whole apple every day, peel included, for his stamina and mobility. Pro tip: eat organic if possible, wash well, and don't peel your apples to maximize benefits. So there you have it, 5 wonderful fruits: avocado, tart cherry, pomegranate, prune, and apple, each offering unique ways to support your muscles as you age. Incorporating these fruits into your daily meals is a simple, natural strategy to combat muscle loss, reduce inflammation, improve recovery, and keep you moving with strength and joy. You don't need to overhaul your life or add complex supplements. Just enjoy these delicious, nutrient-rich fruits regularly and notice how your energy, mobility, and well-being improve over time. I'd love to hear from you. Do you already enjoy any of these fruits? Have you noticed changes in your strength or recovery? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical health tips designed for vibrant aging. Thanks for watching, and here's to staying strong naturally. The video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Please consult a doctor if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication.